Hello and welcome to the $500 to $600 gaming PC build of the month for February 2022. My name is Corey with NewbComputerBuild.com. Yes, $500 to $600. It's very possible to build a gaming PC. It's just a matter of what sort of settings you want to play your games at. This is a very accessible kind of an entry-level gaming PC build. You can game smoothly at 720p into 1080p resolutions with settings scaled back in most games probably, but it's a very capable gaming PC, especially given the fact that you can upgrade it as you go on. This one uses integrated graphics. So what that means is that the graphics are built into the CPU and you don't need a graphics card, which is really the most expensive piece of hardware that you can get for your build these days. But what that also means is it leaves you open to be able to add one when you can either afford one or you find one for a good deal, and it will significantly increase your gaming performance. But this one will get you up and going, no need for a graphics card, and you'll get into the gaming for close to $500. So very, very affordable. All right, let's get started. The CPU for this one is the AMD Ryzen 5 5600G. Don't need a graphics card, integrated Radeon graphics in this one for $221.50. This one comes with an included stock cooler, the AMD Wraith Stealth Cooler, which is included. You can always upgrade that if you want, but this one is a very capable cooler for this CPU. Motherboard is the Gigabyte B550M motherboard at $99.99. Like I had said, integrated Radeon RX graphics, or you can get something like a GTX 1650 Super for, I think it's around $450 at the moment, but you can check on that if you like. Memory, we have the Corsair Vengeance LPX 16GB kit, 28GB sticks here at 3200MHz, $66.99. Storage here is the Kingston 240GB SATA SSD, $34.99. For that one, power supply we have is the Thermaltake Smart 500 watt power supply, $39.99. And then the case is this very affordable Bitfinex Nova Mesh white version, also comes in black. Also comes with two fans to cool it down, which is great for this kind of budget range of a case as well. In this case comes up to $50.87 for a total of just over $500 at $514.33. You have more money to spend than $500 and you want some ideas as to where you can put your money in the future. Some upgrade ideas could be something like this AMD Ryzen 7 5700G, also with integrated graphics, better CPU, $309.98. So a better CPU. And then you can, like I had said, add a graphics card such as this MSI NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650, $354.99 at the moment. I think I had said it used to be around $450, which I had mentioned up here, but they are getting cheaper as you can see, which is great. Great news for the GPU market. Memory we have is the Crucial Ballistics 3600MHz memory here. It's a 16GB kit, so you can get faster memory. Faster, better memory for $75.34. More storage as well, and this is also faster storage, mind you, too, in terms of read-write speeds. The Crucial P2 500GB NVMe SSD for a total of $55.99 if you want to plug that in over and above the included storage solution or instead of, and you can get this one instead. All right, that does it for the $500 to $600 gaming PC build of the month for February 2022. Please, if you have any questions, leave a comment. Subscribe to keep up to date on these builds every single month, or visit the site at newbcomputerbuild.com. We also have conversation there in the comments, as well as many more builds posted and PC reviews and things like that. All right, best of luck building, and until next month, good luck.